All right, y'all. So, excuse my ugliness. I am officially on winter break. Okay, but it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So, mama up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, um, we, meaning Miles and I, are gonna ride out on AJ's truck for a week. I'm very excited about this because we had plans to do this over the summer, but I had a summons for jury duty, and something in my heart was just like, just go, just go, just go. They're not going to need you. This is my third jury summons in my short 32 years of life, and or 31 at the time, and they never call you. But being a civics teacher that I am and trying to be a role model citizen, I said, no, I'm going to stay at home. And because I know the consequences of being called for jury duty and you don't show up. And, at this time, AJ was not regional. So he was like off in California and Wyoming. He was like all over the place. And so I stayed. And of course, I did not get called for jury duty. But by the time, it was just like AJ was, you know, focused on track doing his own thing. And so I just got Myles tied up in some sports and I started, doing my own thing. And we was like, okay, we'll figure it out. We'll get a chance to go. So now it's our chance because AJ came home. We did date night on the 17th, November 27th was our first year wedding anniversary. December the 3rd was my birthday. We got Christmas coming up. And, we haven't really went on a date in a while. So we had a couple of things to celebrate anyway. So just sitting there thinking like, okay, you said you're going to come back for Christmas, right? So why don't we just ride with you? I mean, I don't have anything to do before Christmas besides, deep clean some of the rooms and maybe cook or whatever. So yeah, so we are going to be on the truck for about a week. We'll see. If maybe a little bit shorter. But yeah, come see how this turns out. What?
Mommy, look at that book bag.
Yep.
Please get that
Wave.
book bag.
Say hey. Boy, bye. You're not shy. Top bunk. This. Okay.
Mommy,
So it's a little after 10 o'clock. Yes. Okay. And we are going to Delaware. Of course, Delaware is a state that I've been to already. He's a little bit more regional now. So we'll probably stay along the East Coast, which is cool with me. And I don't know, maybe over the summer when I'm not working, he can do more long distance or whatever because it wasn't that difficult to switch to regional. Anyway, so right now I'm waiting for AJ to finish doing his truck inspection or whatever. He has to inspect his truck every single time before he leaves out or whatever and whatnot. So after that, we will be on our way.
So textbook. There is no wasted movement. You see the hips and the hands go in conjunction, and that ball smoked. For a little guy, he still has a lot of power. Little guy was choking up 4 or 5 inches on that bat. And here's the pitch. Swung on line deep to right.
I don't know if it's full or if he stopped it right there, but either way, that's a lot of gas and that's a lot of money. I won't complain about the little $40 I do every week, give or take.
All right, grab my handbook.
Their consent willingly. Investigators did note afterwards, although the family were helpful, they had a difficult time communicating with Michelle's aunt because her husband Derek kept interrupting and not allowing her to speak for herself.
Should probably have more than a little bit of a hoodie out here, but here's to day 3. We got so we stayed in Elton last night because we didn't get another load until like super duper late. AJ doesn't like driving late at night, so we are on our way to West Virginia to pick up another load and take it to Georgia.
Well, you can do all you want. You can pass us.
Okay, so there's been a change of plans. We are currently stopped in Kentucky. I mentioned before that we were supposed to go to Georgia. Well, we are actually back on our way home in North Carolina. Because the window, from what I understand, the windows from the pickup to the drop off is pretty close. We were supposed to be dropping off in Georgia today by like 5 o'clock or something like that. And so we weren't gonna make it. Okay, so we weren't gonna make it at the rate that we were going. Not like, we could have left sooner or whatever, because I've been learning that there's like a certain number of hours that they can drive, certain number of hours you have to rest, and whatever. So it was just a tight window from the jump. So also with this being the holiday weekend, his dispatcher just told us, you know what, y'all just go home. And the load has to be delivered by Tuesday. So we're on our way home. AJ's probably gonna leave out on Monday. And Myles and I most likely probably will not be with him. Mainly because I have to go back on to work on the 3rd. Myles has to go back to school on the 4th. AJ has drilled the 6th and the 7th, but I don't know when he's going to be back. So with this, especially with this, he's probably gonna want to try to stay out as late as possible. Stay out on the road as late as possible, and of course I'm gonna respect that. And so yeah, we are heading back to good old North Carolina. Okay, so back home. Actually been back home for a couple hours. But came home, power's off. Was headed to my mama's house. Decided to get something to eat. By the time we did that, power is back on. So now I'm at Walmart, and when I make it back to the house, I don't plan on driving again until January the 3rd. And I've only been driving for like 20 minutes. Because if you know me, I don't like driving. I just don't. I love my car, but I don't like driving. And this close to the holiday season, you know, this mama got to make Christmas happen for her baby, okay? But, you know, first and foremost, I just want to make sure that I thank God for safe travels. It was fun. I'm definitely glad that we got the opportunity to go out on the truck with him. We probably won't be going back out when he leaves to go finish dropping off that load off in Georgia. But nonetheless, I'm excited. I'm glad that we got to go and that we were safe and everything was okay. Because people do not care if you're toting 40 and 50,000 pounds of materials. They'll still cut you off. That's one thing that I learned with being on the truck. So it definitely solidified the fact that I do not like driving. Number 2. What was number 2? Oh my gosh. My favorite thing ever still to do is to take a long hot shower. Cause baby, woo, when it's not available on a regular basis, you know. And third thing, 2 words. Whether you are traveling with a toddler or whether it's just you and your spouse, 2 words. Portable potty. And trust me, you won't regret it. Portable potty. Okay, guys. I'm about to run up in Walmart with my list. Hopefully I could just stick to my list. And yeah, I greatly appreciate you guys watching this video. And yeah, y'all take care. Happy holidays. Be blessed.